I stole a ship's biscuit from the stores today, and the captain, he wasn't very pleased. He opened the door and threw me on the floor and left me out there to freeze. I was thrown in jail and my life was hell, and I never touched those biscuits again. Those digestives and those bourbons, they're there to get you in trouble, yes they are. So I never touch them again. The ship's biscuits are, they're very far, 'cause I'm not on the ship again. Oh, pull up the anchor, sailors, yes. Oh, pull up the anchor, oh, show us who's the best. Oh, yes, we are the best, as we come from Pompey.